20th one, write a Python program to convert a month name into number of days. Okay, to convert month name into number of days. So if you type input from the keyboard some month name, if you type a month name in keyboard, suppose if you enter February, so the output has to display like this number of days 28 days. Okay, if you enter January, it should enter 31 days. Okay, if you enter April, it should enter 30 days. Okay, like that. Okay, so use simple, you have to use in operator and if conditions. Okay, I already did this one. See, observe here. Suppose if month name, okay, you go to February, print 20 or 28 days. Well, if month name in operator, means operator in this month, April, June, September, November, number of days. Well, if month name in this month, January month, in okay, August, December, okay, print number of days, 31 days. Else, wrong month, okay. If you print any of this month name, you have to print that particular month name days, okay, number of days of that particular month. Just execute the output here. So I'm entering April here, 30 days, okay. Again execute output here. So suppose enter wrong month here, or suppose like GS whatever. Okay, wrong month name here, okay. So like that, okay. So simple one.